Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reduce data usage with Messenger by activating the data saver. So in here, I've already opened the Messenger apps and you can just go to the settings of the Messenger, click on the gear icon at the top and scroll down until you find data saver. So just tap on that. So when it's enable, you can just enable click to download for image and videos when using mobile data. So you can see it's currently off and you can just turn it on. So now the click to download for image and video when using mobile data is enabled, and just like that, now the data saver is on. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.